To share internet of your Moto G86 5G, start by opening settings. Now you will have to go for network and internet, and over here go to the hotspot and tethering. Then before you turn it on, I will recommend you to open it and customize. Over here you can change hotspot name by clicking on it and using keyboard. Also you can change security settings. I will recommend you to go for the WPA3 personal. And here we can find the hotspot password that also we can change. There is also some other things, like we can go for the 5 GHz and we can use Wi-Fi 6 hotspot to get faster speed. And here we can find timeout settings. So if there will be no devices connected, after 10 minutes the hotspot will turn off. I will recommend you to select never turn off. And here you can even manage some devices. So what you can do, basically you can limit the device connection amount. If you don't want to get connection more than 3 smartphones, you can just limit it to 3 phones, but also you can manage allowed devices. So if there will be some suspicious devices, you can just simply block them by selecting its name. And now to turn it on, all you have to do is just to click on this switcher. And additionally, you can click on this icon to let someone quickly connect by scanning QR code. You can also find the password over here.